First and foremost, we will begin by erasing the previous month's design. Next, let's write the title of our new month, June. I like writing the day's number down on a whiteboard, but an alternate option would be to use the name of the days. This month I will be using colored lines to document the activities for each day. So write a key with some sort of shape and a worded description. I just think this curlicue is so cute. Next, fill in the calendar. I ended up drawing a little 3D detailing on the title later. We are going to skip down to extracurriculars here and add a water sports section. First, add a blue squiggly line for the water. Next, erase a part of it and begin to draw the legs of a diving swimmer. This doesn't have to be perfect, it's a sketch. Then, add the feet, swimsuit, arms, and head. Next, add some water splashes next to the swimmer. Lastly, fill it in and add some directions below. Our next section is going to be an exercise tracker. For my title, I used a capitalized and italicized font, which turned out pretty cool. Underneath it, write some milestones specifically for you that you think are achievable. This is my final whiteboard design. Thank you so much for participating. See you next time!